a Sunday drive.
On a Sunday drive up to the Whites. Now we are going to be trying to be responsible, and Natalie had a bit of an injury yesterday with her knee, so we're going to try and find a flatter hike. So we're going out to Lincoln Woods today, which was recently opened back up after a week of being closed. And we're just going to do kind of like a nature walk and might even try some fishing in the river, take some pictures, just kind of a leisurely walk in the woods. Should be fun.
Hi! So we're up in the White Mountains today. They did reopen some of the trailheads for New Hampshire residents, which is awesome, and I'm so excited. And here's just a little overview of what we're going to be hiking today. I sustained a bit of a knee injury yesterday, so we're going to do a flat hike, no mountains, for a couple weeks until this feels a little better. So we're right here right now. We're going to be actually crossing over the brook and taking this trail, the Lincoln Woods Trail, all the way up to Franconia Falls. Here we are on Lincoln Woods Trail. I'm really excited about this because I've never been here before. And Anton and I actually had our first date in the White Mountains over on the Hancock Loop Trail. You'll see that if you read our bio. We got married here and we've done so many adventures up in the White Mountains. This has been our home during the pandemic. And while we do tons of international travel, and we were planning on doing so, that'll wait till after the pandemic. This summer you're going to see so much adventure up here.
So, little known fact, we actually came across this very recently on one of the Instagram accounts we follow. We never actually knew what the White Mountains were called before they were called the White Mountains. And we learned that they're called
Crystal Hills.
Crystal Hills. And spring means mud season.